Hello and welcome to another one of Direct 4x4's fitting videos. Today we're going to take a look at the Kia Sportage. So you're going to come with me, we'll take a look underneath. Okay, so we're starting on the rear passenger side. The whole thing is fairly straightforward. So we're just a bung you'd have to take out here and put a bolt into the pre-existing mounting point. It's the same for all the bolts, so the fitting points are simply just there and there. Just bear in mind for this side, the rear, there'll be a little piece like this. You will have to take that off. You'll just find it there. 3 of these little bolts in, but that should come off fairly straightforward. And if we come to the front again, just put bolts into pre-existing mounting points, just here and there. Hopefully you can see those all right. Same on the other side. Put a bolt there and just through there. If we go back to the rear, same again. Bolt there and there. And of course you just want to take off that little piece we saw earlier, just to make sure it fits alright. Well, other than that, it's fairly straightforward. If you do need any further assistance though, feel free to contact us. There's this video and the instructions in the box. That's all for now from Direct 4x4. We'll see you again.